Hey guys, what's up? So I just want to show you the Lapu-Lapu Monument. So nandito nga pala ako guys sa monument ng Lapu-Lapu, and I just want to show you around here. So ito yung Lapu-Lapu Shrine, and dito nakatayo yung 20-foot bronze statue in honor of Datu Lapu-Lapu, a native chieftain who defeated Spanish soldiers and killed Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in the Battle of Mactan in 1521. This monument stands as a reminder of Filipino bravery. So, muna siya guys ang iyang monumento ni Lapu-Lapu. So, muna inyong makita diha. So, dagan siya o mga nagabisita, and dagan po mga estudyante nag-practice, and dagan po turista diha guys ka libot.